Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Ridgid car cleaning is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner who takes pride in a spotless ride. This comprehensive kit from Ridgid is designed to tackle every nook and cranny of your vehicle, from the carpets and upholstery to the dashboard and air vents. With powerful suction, versatile attachments, and a durable build, it promises to make your car cleaning routine a breeze. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Ridgid VT2534 Auto Detailing Vacuum Accessory Kit. This is the Ridgid VT2534, a 7-piece auto detailing vacuum accessory kit. It's designed for 114-inch Ridgid vacuums. This kit includes everything you need to detail your car. The kit comes with a 10-foot dual-layer hose, a crevice tool, a soft bristle dusting brush, a stiff bristle scrubbing brush, a hose-to-hose adapter, and a claw nozzle. These tools will help you clean every part of your car. The included hose adapter allows you to connect additional hoses. This gives you more reach, making it easier to clean larger spaces or even the entire car. The crevice tool is perfect for getting into tight spots. It can easily squeeze between the center console and seats in your car, ensuring a thorough clean. The kit includes 2 scrubbing brushes. The soft bristle brush is great for dashboards and sensitive areas, while the stiff bristle brush is ideal for floors and weather pads. This accessory kit is compatible with Ridgid wet-dry vacuums. It's the perfect addition to your existing vacuum, helping you keep your car clean and tidy. What we like. This kit comes with a complete set of accessories, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. The adaptable hose gives you extra reach for larger spaces. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for your car's interior, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a thorough cleaning experience. What people say. The attachments are great for getting into tight spaces. The brush attachment is perfect for cleaning the seats and floor mats. The hose is long enough to reach all areas of the car. Number 4. Drillbrush 5-piece car detailing brush set. Are you looking for a versatile cleaning solution? This 5-piece detailing brush set is perfect for various cleaning tasks. It includes different brush heads and an extension to tackle any mess. This kit features 4 and 5-inch flat scrub brushes. They are great for quickly cutting through messes on large, flat surfaces. You'll be amazed at how easily it cleans. The original bullet-shaped brush is designed for contours and crevices. It is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach areas. This brush will make cleaning a breeze. The 2-inch flat detail brush is ideal for tight spaces. It gives you more control and maneuverability. This brush ensures no spot is missed. The 7-inch long reach extension is included in the kit. Attach it to any Drillbrush product to extend your reach. This makes cleaning even easier. Use the 4 and 5-inch soft white brushes as wheel cleaners. They can restore old or dirty tires in seconds. This will make your car look brand new. This kit turns any drill into a car detailing machine. It is perfect for cleaning seats, cup holders, and door interiors. You'll love how easy it is to use. What we like. This kit transforms your drill into a powerful cleaning machine. It includes multiple brush sizes for various surfaces and a long reach extension. If you have a drill and want to make cleaning easier, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for anyone who wants to save time and effort. What people say. I used this scrubber on my shower stall and my floors, and was very pleased with how clean the results looked. My shower stall looks new again, and it did not take long to get it that way with this drill scrubber. My floors have over time looked more and more grimy no matter how much I washed them on my hands and knees with a scrubbing brush. I tried this power scrubber and the grime was easy to clean. Number 3. THINKWORK Car Cleaning Kit with Vacuum. Tired of a messy car? This kit is your all-in-one solution. It includes everything you need to keep your car spotless, from a powerful vacuum to detailing brushes. The 120W motor provides impressive suction power. It easily removes dirt, pet hair, and crumbs. The extended hose and various attachments make it easy to reach every corner, even in the dark with the built-in LED light. This kit has you covered with brushes of different sizes, a microfiber towel, and a vent brush. It's designed to tackle every cleaning challenge. This kit is your car's new best friend. It includes a high-power vacuum cleaner with multiple attachments, detailing brushes, and cleaning gels. The kit also comes with a storage bag to keep everything organized. The gray design combines aesthetics with high performance. The storage bag keeps all the tools organized. It's a reliable and elegant choice for all your car cleaning needs. This kit is a stylish and functional gift. It's perfect for special occasions. Give the gift of a clean car and a worry-free shopping experience. What we like. This kit features a high-power vacuum for efficient cleaning. It comes with a complete set of accessories and a convenient storage bag. If you like a complete and organized car cleaning solution, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a tidy and powerful cleaning experience. What people say. The attachments are great for getting into tight spaces. The brush attachment is perfect for cleaning the seats and floor mats. The extension wands are very helpful for reaching under the seats and into the trunk. Number 2. Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Reverse Flow Offset Smoker. This smoker is designed for all your outdoor cooking needs. It offers the flexibility of reverse flow or traditional offset smoking, giving you options for different cooking styles. With charcoal as the fuel, this smoker allows you to grill at high heat or cook low and slow. It gives you the control to achieve the perfect flavor for your food. It features a generous 751 square inches of primary cooking space and an additional 309 square inches in the secondary area. This provides plenty of room to cook for a crowd. Constructed with heavy-gauge steel, this smoker is built for durability. You can trust its robust construction for years of reliable use. The professional temperature gauge allows for accurate monitoring. This helps you maintain the perfect cooking environment for your food. It includes a bottom shelf for keeping utensils and fuel nearby. Cool touch handles protect your hands from the heat, adding to the user-friendly design. 4 baffles are locked under porcelain-coated wire grates. This design ensures even heat and smoke distribution throughout the cooking chamber. What we like. This smoker provides the best for you outdoor cooking needs. Charcoal fuel allows you to grill with high heat or cook low and slow. If you are looking for a smoker that is built to last, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a durable and versatile smoker. What people say. Temp is always fairly consistent from left to right sides, more so than any other smoker I've had. Note, all previous smokers were not reverse flow design. With some basic care, I can see this smoker lasting me a long time. It is built like a tank. It cooks evenly. Number 1. Ridgid VAC 4000 4-gallon wet dry auto vacuum. Introducing the Ridgid VAC 4000, a powerful and portable cleaning solution. This wet dry auto vacuum is designed for both car and home use, offering exceptional performance in a compact design. Its compact size makes it easy to store, perfect for those with limited space. This vacuum is designed for convenience, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Equipped with a 1 to 7/8-inch hose diameter, it offers clog-free performance. This feature ensures efficient cleaning without interruptions, making your job easier. With a 20-foot cord and a 7-foot hose, it provides extensive reach. This allows you to clean a wide area without constantly changing outlets or repositioning the unit. The 5.0 peak horsepower motor delivers powerful performance. This ensures it can handle tough messes, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks. The patented quick lock filter makes filter changes easy. It eliminates the need for extra parts or tools, simplifying maintenance and saving you time. What we like. This portable vacuum is compact and easy to store. It has a powerful motor and an extended reach. If you like a convenient and powerful cleaning solution, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a quick and easy cleaning experience. What people say. The attachments are great and work well. The brush attachment is perfect for cleaning the dash and vents. The crevice tool is great for getting in between the seats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.